Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Schedule C form step by step. First, you'll need to provide your basic business information. This includes your business name and the type of business you operate. Make sure to enter your correct employer identification number or social security number. Also, specify your business address and the accounting method you use, whether it's cash or accrual. Next, let's focus on reporting your income accurately. You'll need to list your gross receipts or sales from all business activities. Remember to subtract any returns and allowances to arrive at your net sales figure. Don't forget to include any other income sources, like interest earned on business accounts or the recovery of previously deducted bad debts. Now, it's time to claim your deductible business expenses. This is crucial for reducing your taxable income. Think about costs like advertising, office supplies, and vehicle expenses. Also, include depreciation, insurance premiums, and any fees for legal and professional services. Utilities and rent are common deductions too. Finally, let's calculate your net profit or loss. First, add up all your reported business income. Then, total all your deductible business expenses from the previous sections. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. The resulting figure is your net profit if positive or your net loss if negative, which is essential for your tax return.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.